it is for the love of film that I do this. That is for no other reason. I'm Ian McCall. I'm the senior operator of the Screen Machine Mobile Cinema. On the road it looks like a big supermarket truck, but the magic happens when it pulls into the car park and everything starts to unfold. It turns into an 80-seat auditorium. My love of film started when I was about 10 years old, when the mobile cinema used to visit the local village hall. When the lights went off and that bit between the screen lighting up, it's just the anticipation. And I knew that was the thing that I would love to do, is be involved with something like that. And here we are today. It's doing exactly the same. The difference is today I take the hall with me. Screen Machine travels around 15 islands, 40 locations through the Highlands and the Islands, very remote villages. It takes about 10 weeks to complete the whole circuit. It's just a great big 3-ton truck trundling around, bringing the magic.
I think it's quite a sociable thing to come to the pictures. We get our popcorn in the shop and we come along here.
It starts the minute the Screen Machine arrives in the village. There's no getting away. If you come off a ferry onto an island, the Screen Machine's here. The audience are part of the cinema here, and that just makes it more intimate and so much more community focused.
Ian has got a passion for what he does, and he brings that passion out when he comes here to see us. So I think it's absolutely spectacular that BAFTA's actually given him the award.
I just do a job. At the end of the day, I put on a film show to have won that competition for somebody who goes over and above. It's not often I'm actually struck dumb, completely. It's amazing that BAFTA is supporting the small guys, and we are small. We are very, very small in the grand scale of any cinema, but that is the grassroots of cinema. That is where the seeds start to germinate and start to mature.
I would rather watching Rapunzel. I like watching Pirates of the Caribbean.
I'm studying Glasgow right now. I'm actually studying television, and it's quite good when I tell people I used to watch films in the back of a big lorry. It did inspire me in some parts to go out and start making my own television and film, so it was quite good.
I think it's had an amazing impact. People have now recognised the Screen Machine has been awarded something which is tangible. Humbling is the word. I was probably looked after better than a Hollywood A-lister. It was like a parallel universe for me. I just kept having to pinch myself that this was happening. I had the same carpet time as any A-lister, and I was told to go back and do it again if I wanted. Just walk back and enjoy this and just experience it, and I did. I loved every second of it. For the love of film, it covers everything. The title has a massive amount of information for the love of film. I think that is incredible, because it is for the love of film that I do this. That is for no other reason. That was how I started, was for the love of film. Yeah.